Y'all, it is move out day. I'm really sad. I go to Atlanta for the mart today, and I'm not coming back home, as I said. And I'm so sad. Look who I am leaving. Where'd the other one go? Oh, there he is. OMG. My angels. I'm so sad. My car is all packed. I'm about to go work out and then head to Buckhead. I'm sad. I already told my mom bye because she went to work this morning. That was sad. She may or may not be coming to help me now. We don't know. Or she's coming to help me, but like we don't know if we're gonna see each other because I'm gonna be rushing like the whole time. So I might not see her. We might have told each other bye for good this morning or last night. Let's do it. We are on the way to see Ansley and Kylie in Buckhead and then go to the mart. I'm excited. What was that? I'm excited. My car is packed totally full. Let the journey begin. Hello everyone. It is the end. It is Friday. It's the end of Mart week, so it's officially the start of move-in. About to leave to Athens. I literally can't believe that it's already here. I can't believe that I'm moving in already. And today I have a sorority recruitment orientation thing. So yeah, I can't move in until tomorrow. So I'm staying in an Airbnb today. I have literally so much stuff in this car you guys don't even know. But yeah, so I'm staying in an Airbnb with my mom tonight, and then she's moving me in tomorrow while I rush. So I explained that already, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, it's gonna be crazy. Let's go to Athens. So we have arrived in Athens. The view is not very pretty. So I have arrived to Georgia. I'm trying to get to the student center right now to check in for recruitment and to get my dad to the parent meeting for sororities, and there's lots of traffic, but we have officially arrived in Athens. We are here at Tate and I am so excited, you guys. I'm so excited. My dad is in the meeting, and so I'm just waiting out here in the sun.
They can't. They have like a parent meeting 9 o'clock Sunday morning and move in at 11, and so she won't.
So my mom and I just went to Walmart to get some last minute necessities, and now the car has literally no room, and it's been interesting.
So I'll be able to park.
And I forgot to lay out my outfit that I'm wearing tomorrow for first day of recruitment, and so I just dug through a trash bag of clothes in the middle of the street. Couldn't find it. I'm out of breath, so I'm going with something that I didn't plan on wearing, and now I'm sad. We're doing great. Our Airbnb is like a little treehouse guest house thing. Hey y'all, so just to explain what is going on in my life right now, I am done with the rush recruitment for day one. My voice is already going out. It's 8 o'clock. Just had dinner with my boyfriend's family, and now I'm about to go to my apartment for the very first time. My mom moved in some of my stuff while I was gone, but I still have all of my car to move in, so we're doing that. It's 8 o'clock. I have to be back at 6 in the morning. This has been as chaotic as I expected, so yay. Dirty. I got some done. Not really. You guys, this has been the hardest process. I'm stressed, but I have to go to bed because I'm getting up at 5 in the morning. And this is the best we could do. Everything's still everywhere. I promise it'll look cute eventually. This is gonna be great. This little spot, I love it. Okay, good night.
Wonky about how this isn't working.
So the world can see.
I look like a 3-year-old right now.
It's okay. This is just, to document. I just can't believe that.
All right.
So this is our living room so far. It's so cute. Y'all, I'm like basically all moved in. Everything's a lot neater now, but I'm waiting on some shelves to go over here. But that's gonna really tie the room together. But I'm like so excited about it. It's looking really cute. Ugh, yes. My bathroom's over there, my closet's right here. Hi. It's late, I'm just really tired. It's been a long week, but here is how it's coming together. I mean, it's not the best yet. My roommates are all like crazy, super just like put together, but you know, I did my best and it's really cute. I think it's really cute and cozy, so. Okay, so here's the end of my move-in vlog. It's been like 2 weeks. I've been so busy, but I was gonna show like a final product of what my room looks like, but my shelves have still not come in. There's been a lot of problems with IKEA. So I really want to show you all like the finished product. So I'll just do a whole nother video for like an apartment/room tour. But sorry if you were waiting for like the finished product on my move-in vlog, but I will definitely get that up for y'all as soon as they come in. Thank y'all for watching and see you next week.